Today, we're going to explore the incredible power of emotion and how we can use them to manifest our desires. I'm Dreyer, and I will be your guide during this free course. As alchemists, we understand that everything in the universe vibrates at a certain frequency, and emotions are no exception. By aligning our emotions with our desires, we can manifest them into our reality. This simply means that we can make the impossible possible. Now, here's a secret. It's not about the type of emotion you feel, but the frequency of that emotion. Whether it is joy, anger, frustration, what matters is that it aligns with your desires. However, as modern day alchemists, we believe that positive emotions are by far the most effective. Positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and excitement that rise our vibration and attract abundance into our lives. Your task for today is to practice tapping into positive emotions. Whenever you think about your desires, allow yourself to feel the joy, the excitement, and the happiness that comes with it. Remember, emotions are energy that vibrates at different frequencies. By applying them to our desires, we can manifest them into our reality. Another thing to remember is that your beliefs are the foundation of your mindset, and that's going to determine how you perceive your will and, of course, your potential. If you believe that success is possible for you, you'll be more likely to take action that lead to success. However, if you believe that success is out of your reach, you'll likely hold yourself back from achieving your goals. Your qualities and skills are essential in determining the levels of your success. So your qualities such as determination, perseverance, and resilience, that's going to enable you to overcome obstacles and persist in the face of challenges. Your skills such as communication, problem solving, making money, creating wealth and riches, these are the tools that you'll need in order to succeed in any chosen field. The great news is that all skills are learnable, teachable, and trainable. And this simply means that anyone that, of course, is committed can achieve and master these skills. It's important to continuously develop and improve your beliefs, your qualities, and skills if you want to achieve your goals and live a life of abundance. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups as well as the downs of life and turn your dreams into reality. So remember to invest in yourself and to focus on developing your beliefs, your qualities, and your skills. As modern day alchemists, we know that our success is in our hands. If you found this lesson valuable, then please help spread the word by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. And of course, I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson, where we'll explore yet another powerful wealth manifestation technique.